Hey guys, I'm back with day 3 using the Tutti Frutti suite. Here is the fruit basket stamp set that goes with that suite. It is absolutely adorable. If you're interested in knowing what comes in the suite, check out day 1. I do go through it. Here are the 2 pieces of DSP I have chose for now. And here is a card base from the pack I used yesterday. This pack is in the celebration catalog. It is free with a $50 purchase if you choose. You don't have to choose this selection of product, but it does coordinate perfectly with the Tutti Frutti suite. So here I am. Since I saw the envelope I'm going to use, I'm changing up the DSP I'm going to use. There is an exact pattern that matches the envelope a lot better than that striped pattern. So I'm going to put that one away. The lining in the envelope matches the new, there you go, pattern paper I chose. So here are the envelopes, and then of course you have your card bases. It's a great little pack. I think it comes with 12. But like I said, it is an option with the celebration. I'm using Lemon Lime Twist ink and that ribbon that I've been using for the past couple days. I'm going to go ahead and cut my DSP. My card is A2 size, and I kind of cut these to kind of fit wonky. Here is a card I saw on Pinterest, and this is my total inspiration. I will have the name of the person below. I have to look it up again, but to give her credit. But that card, I just love. The black and lemon lime twist is perfect. I love the way it looks together. So here is a piece of Whisper White cardstock. I went ahead and adhered my card panels to my card base, kind of wonky. And then I went ahead and cut out my sentiment and then just cut to slash a diagonal line on the left side. I go ahead and decide to bring this little strip of the pattern paper and adhere it to the bottom portion of my sentiment. I'm using glue dots. I'm sorry, no I'm not. I'm using double-sided tape. And I go ahead and put that at the bottom, peel this off, and then go ahead and attach this to that little strip of paper. I think I originally was going to use glue dots, but changed my mind. And then once I adhere that down, I trim it. And then I bring in some double-sided tape as well and go ahead and put that on my card base. This is actually Terran tape that I'm using right now. That other double-sided tape was a different brand. It's a little bit thinner. And I go ahead and adhere that down, and then I'll just pop the ribbon right there, trim it up. Then go ahead and tie a bow. This ribbon was pretty easy to tie a bow and get the right shape. I'm not the best at bows, so I immediately fall in love with ribbon that I can easily and quickly tie a bow. Put that aside, and then I go ahead and attach my sentiment using Stampin' Dimensionals. Go ahead and pop that down. And I use a glue dot to go ahead and adhere my bow. And then that will complete this card. I hope you guys enjoyed this card. I have to say this one's my favorite out of the 2 previous ones. I just love that black and lemon lime twist. If you're interested in any of the products, they will be listed below. Remember, it is Celebration, which goes till March 31st. So every $50 you spend, you do earn a free product of your choice in the Celebration catalog. Check out my previous videos if you want to know what's in the Celebration catalog. If you are a customer of mine, you should have received your catalogs by now. So let me know if you have any questions, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!